welcome back to the channel, Old Guy Firewood. My name is Dick, and if this is your first time here, I really appreciate you checking in. If you're coming back, I appreciate your loyalty and appreciate you coming back to view my new videos. If you like this sort of thing, please go ahead and subscribe. Push that little subscribe button down in the corner here, and then you'll be notified, and also the little bell icon, and you'll be notified when I publish future videos. But the other thing I want to say is thanks so much for all my new subscribers. I've gotten, gosh, about 400 subscribers, over 400 subscribers in the last month, and I really appreciate that. So I hope you enjoy the videos and hope you keep coming back. But today, a beautiful day in North Carolina. It's about 59 degrees out, and I've got some real big logs, primarily tree service wood, and one big hickory tree, excuse me, that I cut down in one of my earlier videos. And I've got most of the hickory bucked up. Let me show you that now. Here's some of those big hickory rounds, and those things are 24, 26 inches, and I've got several more too. But I've been moving some wood out for bundles, and I've done a few bulk deliveries that won't really pick up here in North Carolina where I'm until sometime in November. But I've got a lot of big oak logs, as I mentioned, tree service wood that I need to start bucking up, and that's what we're going to work on today. So let me show you some of that. I have probably got, at least 6 cords of logs this size, and this is some big wood. I'm going to go ahead and try today to get these 3 logs bucked up. There's enough wood in these 3 logs to fill 1.5, almost 2 IBC totes. We're going to be using the Husqvarna 572 XP today, and I've got the 28-inch bar on it because these logs are over 20 inches. I normally run a 20-inch bar, but I'm going to go ahead and run the 28-inch bar today. So let's get marking these up and get to cut. I'm going to go ahead and mark these logs up with a Mingo marker. And one of my earlier videos that I did on different measuring devices, I said I didn't really like the Mingo marker too much because it leaves a dot of paint on the wood. And if you're working with small wood, almost every split would have some paint on the end, which I didn't like. But when you're working with large diameter wood like this, where you're going to get 16 splits out of every round, or maybe even more, that little dot of paint really doesn't bother me, and it's a good, quick, and very accurate way of marking. So let me go ahead and mark this log up. All right, it's a good mark every 16 inches. As I said, nice accurate mark. So we're ready to cut. Let me go ahead and get my safety gear on, and we'll get to cutting. All right, let's get the Husqvarna 572 XP cranked up here. These big rounds can be a pain in the neck to handle, but I'll tell you what, you get a lot of firewood out of them. That's some pretty red oak. Okay, let's mark this next one up. Hey Clifford, look out buddy. I'm gonna start to sop. Look out. Okay, one more to go. Well, there. Got them all cut up. That didn't take very long. I'll probably pull a few more out and cut them up today. Yeah, these things are just too big to move around by hand if I don't have to. So I think I'm going to go ahead and take the Kubota L3400 with the grapple and pick them up and stage them over here, get them ready to be split. Look out, buddy. Look out. One, get. Well, folks, we got a nice stack of big oak rounds here off to the side. I can pull the Wolfe Ridge splitter right up next to it with the log lift on that side and put them up on the splitter and split them. And I'll set up so that I can split right into an IBC tote up here. Well, I think that'll do it for today's video. Got Clifford down here wanting to get a little attention. I know some of you may worry that he's a little bit close when I was operating the tractor, but be assured I pay close attention to him and make sure he's out of the way and make sure he's not somewhere where something's going to drop on him. But he wants to be out in the wood yard with me. He wants to be helping, or he thinks he is. After every splitting session, I have to go around through my yard and pick up all these splits that he picks up and takes off like it's a trophy. But at any rate, as I say, I think that'll do it for today. We got a good amount done, ready to split, which I'll probably split this wood up on my next video. But in the meantime, if you enjoy this sort of thing, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. And we'll have a lot of good videos coming up. Hit 1,000 subscribers here in the last week, and I'm going to have a good, nice giveaway. I've got a couple of items that we'll be figuring that out within the next couple videos that I put out, and I'll make an announcement on what you need to do to be registered to possibly win some of those items. And we'll be talking about that, as I say, on the next couple of videos. But in the meantime, thanks so much for being here. Please like and subscribe. And as I always say at the end of each of my videos, the most important information, the best information I can give you, the best advice I can give you is to keep moving. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.